Greg, what is the typical process to reduce a bond? Is it a long process?
What is the process and how long does it take to reduce a bond? Is it a long process? That depends on the circumstances and the charge. In general, if a summary court judge sets a high bond, a ridiculously high bond, and or denies bond, then for us to fix it, we have to go to circuit court in South Carolina. So that means we have to file a motion, we have to get it on the docket, we have to get it heard. And usually for that to happen, we have to use relationships in the office to kind of go make the docket hurry up as opposed to just get to it when you can, which could take, 12 weeks. In different jurisdictions too. In Charleston, it may take us 3 to 6 months to get it revised. Here in the Myrtle Beach area and other areas, we may be able to get it done sooner. The fastest way to do it is if we look at it and we think this should not have happened, this is unjust, and then we contact the prosecutor, the prosecuting attorney, and say, listen, this happened. We think this bond is too high. And many times the prosecutors are very reasonable. They look at it and go, yes, that's true. I think you're right. And then if they are able to, they can sign what's called a consent. They can agree. We do an order. Say the bond was set at 300,000, and everybody thinks it should be 10,000. Okay, so then they agree to 10,000. We do an order, and if they've agreed to it, so we don't have to have a hearing, it means we just have to get a judge to sign it. That's the fastest way to do it. If it's a murder case or something like that, and you had to go in front of a circuit judge to begin with in South Carolina, and the circuit judge denies bond, then you're not going to get bond set for minimum 6 months, but you're probably going to get bond maybe revised a year later, a year and a half later. So it depends on the circumstances, it depends on the charge.